Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you've all had a great week and you've just been living life to the fullest. Today I am doing a NYX top 15 unboxing. So if you guys follow me on my social media, you would have found out that I got into the NYX Face Awards top 15 for New Zealand, which I am like literally so excited about. Doing the top 30 video and like getting everyone to vote and stuff took so much effort and time. I just want to thank you guys all so much for voting and for supporting me to get me through to the top 15. Like, your support means the absolute world to me, and we did it, we got through. So obviously you guys helped me get there. Without you guys I wouldn't have gotten to the top 15. So our top 15 theme is Drop Dead Gorgeous. So I do have an idea in my head now. I've been doing a little bit of research and a little bit of looking up on the gram for some ideas and stuff, and I think I definitely have an idea, and I want to make this one like extreme. Like, if you guys liked my first video, I want to make this one like even more extreme. That video will probably be uploaded on the 11th of June, so stay tuned for that. I need all of your support for this top 15 round. So this round, the people with the most votes will get into the top 6, and the top 6 is really good because it is like a close group. That's like half of the 15 chopped in half, so it's going to be like harder to get into the top 6. And what's cool about the top 6 is that you all get to go to a live show in Auckland and showcase your looks to like an audience. So that is so amazing, and I'd love to be a part of the top 6. So I hope that you guys can vote me in for the next round. When I upload my video, you'll see that it's like a crazy SFX look, something to do with Drop Dead Gorgeous, and I'll announce on my social media that I've uploaded it and when to vote. So if you don't follow me already on Instagram, then please do. I will keep you guys informed on there, like when to vote and stuff like that, and I'll show you heaps of pictures of my look. Okay, before I show you guys what's in the top 15 box, I just want to quickly show you some contacts. Because I've been wanting to do more SFX looks lately, and because like I've been doing the Face Awards and stuff, I just want to show you guys an amazing contact lens brand, and it is called Iris Beauty. So if you guys are like getting bored of your eye color, like you can literally change it up. This is a contact lens brand that is like so realistic. They're FDA approved and they're safe for your eyes, but they've got such amazing colors like browns and greens and different blues, and they're just all like really realistic colors. So they were kind enough to send me 2 contact lenses from the brand. So I got the color Alyshia green, and then I also got the shade Sky Blue. I know I have blue eyes, but this looks a little bit like of a light blue shade. The packaging is really nice, quite simple. So these are really high quality. They're not cheapy contacts, so that's why they're a little bit more expensive than your regular contacts, but you obviously pay for quality. So right now they've got a deal on at the moment. They're $49 for a set of contacts instead of $59, but you just go to www.irisbeauty.com. I'll leave it down below in my description for you guys if you want to check them out. In each box there is a little tray, and you also get a little contact lens holder, so you can fill it up with the liquid in here and store them. So the cool thing is you can use them more than once. Some brands you can only use the contacts once, but you can use these several times. So if you want my eye color, there's literally a pair called Glam Grey on the website, and it's like exactly like this eye color. So if you can see, I've actually got one contact in right now in this eye. I've got the color Alyshia green in, and look how amazing they look. Like, they look so natural, and I'm so glad they reached out to me because I want to start using some contact lenses more, just to like change up my look, as well as just, you know, for SFX looks. But the next color I definitely want to get is like a brown color. This is Sky Blue, and I think it looks really similar to my eye color, but slightly like darker. I quite like it. I do have a coupon code for you guys that they gave me if you do want a 15% discount. So it is Alyshia45, and that will give you 15% off. You don't have to use my code though. It's not a sponsored or affiliated code. Okay, so that's enough contact lens talk. This box feels a bit heavier than the other boxes. Okay, so I'm excited to open this again. I've only kind of had like a quick look, so it's still exciting, and Look how cool this is. On top it says, congratulations for making the top 15. We're blown away by your entries for the first challenge and we can't wait to see what you come up with for challenge 2. We hope you enjoy these goodies to inspire you to create another awesome look. So thanks so much to our amazing sponsors Redken NZ, Garnier NZ and Farmers NZ for the amazing goodies they've contributed. Please be sure to tag them as above in your unboxing videos and photos. So yes, they are our sponsors, so thank you so much again to you guys as well as NYX Cosmetics for these amazing products. So in the box it is like full of like air cushiony stuff. So I was so excited when I saw this in the box. This is the Garnier Skin Active Micellar Cleansing Water. This is what I use every day. Like, this is my absolute favorite and I was about to run out, so I am so glad that we got this. And also there was the Garnier Skin Active Micellar Oil Infused Cleansing Water, which I've actually never seen before and I'm excited to try this one out. The only difference it says is that obviously it's got oil in it and you can see like at the top the oil layer. And it says non-greasy and it's for sensitive skin, which I think will be a bit more gentle, so I'm excited to try this. We also get the Garnier Body Intensive 7 Days Rich Repairing Lotion, hydration felt up to 7 days, and it's fast absorbing, so this looks so good. I think I need to start using body moisturizers more. I already had this and I gave it away recently in my giveaway, but it's the Garnier Skin Active Hydro Bomb Tissue Mask, and it's ultra hydrating rejuvenating mask, and you leave it on for 15 minutes, so I'm glad that I got this again because I can try it out for myself. So Garnier also sent the Garnier Skin Active Pure Active Intensive Charcoal Anti-Blackhead Scrub. That's a long title, but this looks so good. I do have a few blackheads like on my chin and around my like nose area, so this looks really good, and I don't own any like blackhead scrubs at the moment. Now things from, I think Farmers provided this, I'm not quite sure, but it's from the face eraser, so I'm so excited to try this. You can get this from www.faceeraser.co.nz, but it is those like little makeup remover towels that you use on your face, and it just like gets rid of all your makeup like in one swipe. This looks so good and it's so soft. Okay, so another thing from Farmers, of course the best part is the gift vouchers, because there is so much stuff at Farmers, especially like the makeup section of course. So they sent us another gift card, and this gift card was for $50 as well. We got these blue things that were in the box are like everywhere. This was for $50 as well, and I also got a $50 one in the top 30 box, and I haven't used that yet. So altogether I've got $100 to spend at Farmers. Another thing, you know, I thought it was so random they sent us some undies in the first box, but they sent us another matching set. It's size 12 though, so I'm like, darn, like I wish I got a size 10. You never know, this might fit though. But it is from Bonds, and you can get Bonds from Farmers. So Bonds is a really like high quality lingerie and undie brand. Also Farmers sent this little thing in the box, so let's see what it is. Oh, that's cute. So it's from the Rantilly at Home. So I think this is just like a little ornament for your bench top or for your beauty room or whatever. But it's like a glass cube, and it's got like a pair of lips on it, so that's cute. This will remind me of the Face Awards. So the next sponsor was Redken, and the first thing they sent was the Redken Wax Blast, so high impact finishing spray wax. Like, I've never heard of that before. This will be, obviously I don't wear wax, but this will be so awesome for Matthew. I'm sure he's going to appreciate this. I'm actually going to give him a haircut after I film this video. It's getting so long. The next thing from Redken in the box is the Hairspray Quick Tease Backcombing Finishing Spray. So yay, that's awesome. My hairspray was running out and I actually lost the lid. So it's awesome to try out another hairspray, and I do use hairspray. I use some today to like keep my hair flat going up to my ponytail. Okay, so the next thing we got from Redken, which I'm excited about, is the Redken Powder Grip Texturize Mattifying Hair Powder. So this is almost like a dry shampoo if you have like oily roots, which I do because my roots come through like so fast. It's a selfie light. How cool is that? I've got one of these from last year in the top 30 boxes. We had like one from Glamo, which is really good, and I actually use that sometimes. So it's cool to get a ring light from NYX, and oh my god, look at all these blue things like all stuck to the box. But yeah, that's so cool. So this is in the shade medium, so it might be a little bit dark for me. It might actually suit me. This might match, and I love a good cream contour. The next thing we got sent is the NYX Liquid Illuminators, which is so exciting because like so many people use these at the moment. This one is Born to Glow. So this is in the shade Sunbeam, which looks so up my alley, and I'm sure I've heard of this. Oh, I'm sure I've heard of that one online. And there's also the Born to Glow Liquid Illuminator in the shade Gleam. So this one is a perfect like rose gold color. Okay, next we got, oh, I've actually got this palette. They gave us this at the NYX Cosmetics event that I went to not long ago. This is the Contour eyeshadow, highlight and blush palette, which looks so amazing. So I'm gonna have to give this away in like my 40,000 subscriber giveaway that's gonna come up in the next like month or two. Okay, so the next product, which I absolutely love, I've got two of these because I use them like all the time. This is the NYX Cosmetics Pore Filler. So this is perfect if you have big pores or just like bumpy rough skin. You put this on before foundation and then it just makes for a flawless base. The next product we have is the NYX Studio Perfect Photo Loving Primer. So this softens fine lines and pores as well. So this must be really similar. Okay, so next we've got the NYX Big and Loud Lash Primer Base. It's a lash primer, so it makes your lashes longer, as well as it makes your mascara last longer. So that's going to be so handy, especially for the weekends, like when you go out to a party or whatever. Okay, the next thing we got, oh, I've got one of these, but I don't have the shade, which is awesome. This is the NYX Holographic Halo Finishing Powder, and this is in the shade Magical. Like, I love this packaging. Like, look how cool that is. Okay, next we've got the NYX Gotcha Covered Concealer, and this is waterproof. This is in the shade Alabaster. Funny enough, I use this like regularly. I do have one, but it's like half gone, so I'm so glad there's another one in the box, and this is a nice like brightening shade for the under eyes. If you have big dark circles like me, this has got you covered, and that's why it's called Gotcha Covered. Okay, next is the NYX Glitter Primer, which I actually brought from the Christchurch store myself when I did my meetup, because I always used to use glitter and stuff for cut creases, so I'm so glad I got sent another one. Okay, the next thing we've got, which I actually haven't seen or tried before, is the NYX Cosmetics Dimensional Brow 3D. So this is in the shade Chocolate Brown, so I hope it matches me. It's probably a bit too dark, so I might give this one away in a giveaway or to my mum. Okay, oh, this is amazing. I've actually used this in my entry video for the Face Awards. This is a NYX Cosmic Metals Lip Cream in the shade 07 Electromagnetic. So I use this for my like power shell look. This is so exciting. Like, look at all these pigments. I love pigments. I think these will come in handy for our next look. So these are the NYX Cosmetics Shimmer Down pigments. So these look really cool. This is in the shade Platinum. I really like this one. That will come in handy. This one is called Nude. So it's like a goldy copper shade. Oh. We've got the shade Walnut, which is like a slightly darker brown. We've also got the shade Salmon, which looks really nice. It's like a pink shimmery shade. It's really hard to see like in this lighting. So this is the shade Almond. This looks like it will be one of my favorites. It's like a nice browny gold copper shade. That looks so good. And then we also get the shade Mauve Pink, which is a nice like, yeah, mauve pink shade, exactly what it says. And crazy enough, I can't believe they sent us this many lip products. Like, the rest is literally all lip products. So out of this, we got one NYX lip lingerie in the shade Ruffle Trims. They're so nice, the lip lingeries. Yeah, such pretty shades, and I love how they're all dedicated to nude shades. Next we have some NYX Soft Matte Lip Creams. These are all the shades. I'm not going to read out every single name, but I'll just hold them like so you can kind of see the colour range. I love this colour range, like nudes and pinks and reds. It's like my go-to. So there's all the shades. They look so good, especially this one in the middle. That looks so good. This nude one here and that colour there. Oh my god, they all look so good. Okay, we got quite a bit of NYX lip lustres, and I've only got like 2 of these, I think. So it's cool that there's a lot more, and I haven't actually tried them yet. So I haven't tried this formula. So these look like such amazing shades. Like, look how cool that pink Barbie shade looks. And that shade. That looks so cool, so bright. And yes, another red. Oh my gosh, it's so good. I've been looking for another good red liquid lipstick because I just have lots of red lipsticks. And the last product of the box is the NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick. And this is in the shade Sandstorm, which I already have and I friggin' love it. Like, the NYX Liquid Suedes are so good because they dry matte, and that's probably my favourite formula. You know me, I love my nudes. This is like the perfect dark nude shade. So thank you so much once again to NYX Cosmetics, Redken, Farmers and Garnier. You guys are absolutely amazing, and thank you so much once again for spoiling us. This means so much. I have like nowhere to store all these products, but I'll try and find some space in these 2 cupboards of mine, but they're actually like chock-a-block full. I'm so appreciative, and I'm so glad to be in the top 15, and I can't wait to show you guys my top 15 video, and I'll see you probably not in my next week's video. I won't have a video up next Friday because obviously when you're in the Face Awards it takes up so much time and effort and energy. So next weekend I will be focusing on filming my top 15 look. So yay. So I hope you guys have a fantastic week, and I'll see you guys in my next top 15 Face Awards video. Bye.